Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving deep into the world of intelligence and how you can supercharge your brain power. You see, everyone wants to be smarter, right? Well, let's break down these 15 daily habits that can skyrocket your intelligence. No need for fancy programs or secret formulas, just good old habits that you can incorporate into your daily life. Your very first intelligent move? Subscribe to this channel for daily life-improving content. Alright, let's get going. 1. Question everything. The first habit on our journey to supercharging your intelligence is to question everything. It's not just about being curious for the sake of it. It's about nurturing your brain's appetite for knowledge. When you question everything around you, you ignite your curiosity, which research has shown stimulates the release of dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter. This makes learning an enjoyable experience, reinforcing your desire to seek more knowledge. Additionally, questioning everything nurtures critical thinking skills. By constantly questioning, you become more comfortable with uncertainty, better equipped to adjust your beliefs and strategies, and develop metacognition, thinking about thinking, which enhances your learning outcomes. 2. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is more than just a handy skill. It's a powerful way to boost your intelligence. Bilingual individuals tend to have better working memory, essential for tasks like reading comprehension and multitasking. But it doesn't stop there. Learning a new language actually changes your brain structure, increasing connectivity and density. These changes lead to more efficient information processing, promoting cognitive reserve and potentially delaying age-related neurodegenerative diseases. Moreover, immersing yourself in a new language fosters empathy and cultural understanding. It grants you insights into different norms, values, and perspectives, enriching your social intelligence and helping you navigate diverse situations and connect with people from various backgrounds. Intelligence isn't just about smarts, it's about expanding your horizons, and learning a new language is a remarkable way to do just that. 3. Read challenging material. Don't be afraid to tackle challenging material. It's a surefire way to boost your intelligence. When you face intimidating books or complex subjects, your brain has to work harder to understand the information, and this effort is what strengthens your cognitive abilities. It's like mental weightlifting. By exposing yourself to unfamiliar ideas and concepts, you sharpen your critical thinking and analytical skills, deepening your understanding of the world. This process isn't just about learning. It's about developing your decision-making and problem-solving abilities. As you read intimidating material, your vocabulary and linguistic skills naturally improve, exposing you to new words, phrases, and writing styles, enriching your communication abilities. Importantly, it helps you develop mental resilience by persevering through difficult texts, teaching you how to manage frustration and adapt to challenging situations, building mental toughness that benefits both your intellectual pursuits and your ability to navigate life's obstacles. 4. Apply what you learn. Knowledge is indeed power, but it's only potential power until you put it to use. Learning without application is like having a toolbox without ever using the tools. When you learn something new, you gain theoretical knowledge, but it's the application of that knowledge that deepens your understanding and helps you develop practical skills. Applying what you've learned reinforces the information in your mind, making it easier to recall and use in the future. It strengthens the neural connections associated with that knowledge, leading to long-term retention. Furthermore, applying knowledge allows you to see how it fits into real-world situations, providing context and helping you understand the relevance and importance of what you've learned. This can make the information more meaningful and memorable. So remember, it's not just about learning facts. It's about using knowledge as a tool to enhance your capabilities and make a real impact. 5. Exercise daily. Your journey to enhanced intelligence should include daily exercise. It's not just about physical health. It has a significant impact on your mental prowess too. Regular exercise improves cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and vital nutrients crucial for optimal brain health. This enhanced blood flow even promotes the growth of new neurons and strengthens existing neural connections, which in turn enhances various aspects of intelligence such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. Furthermore, exercise is a fantastic stress buster. By lowering stress levels, you create a more conducive environment for learning, memory consolidation, and overall cognitive performance. Engaging in physical activity also releases endorphins and other feel-good chemicals in the brain, improving mood and emotional well-being, leading to better learning and retention of information. Additionally, committing to a daily exercise routine requires discipline and focus, skills that can be translated into other areas of your life, including learning and problem-solving. It's like a ripple effect of good habits that amplify your intelligence and overall well-being. 6. Eat well. You are what you eat, and when it comes to intelligence, your brain needs proper fuel. Your brain requires a constant supply of glucose to function effectively, and a well-balanced diet with complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can provide that steady stream of energy, maintaining optimal cognitive functioning. Essential fatty acids, like omega-3s from foods such as fatty fish, walnuts, and flaxseed, are vital for brain health. They help maintain the structure and function of brain cells, support neurotransmitter production, and reduce inflammation, all contributing to improved cognitive function. A variety of vitamins and minerals also play a crucial role in maintaining brain health. For example, B vitamins are necessary for neurotransmitter production and nerve cell maintenance, while antioxidants like vitamin C and E protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Additionally, minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron are essential for cognitive function. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins found in lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes, support neurotransmitter synthesis, enhancing brain function. But it's not just about individual nutrients, it's also about the gut-brain connection. A healthy gut microbiome, supported by a diverse and balanced diet, can contribute to improved cognitive abilities by enhancing neurotransmitter production, reducing inflammation, and overall brain health. So remember, it's not just about filling your belly, it's about feeding your mind for peak intelligence. 7. Sleep well. A good night's sleep is like a secret weapon for boosting intelligence. While you're catching those Z's, your brain undergoes a process called synaptic homeostasis. This process strengthens and prunes neural connections, allowing your brain to consolidate and integrate new information and experiences. This leads to better memory retention and problem-solving abilities. Moreover, sleep facilitates the removal of waste products like beta-amyloid proteins, which can accumulate and negatively impact brain function if not cleared out properly. So, a well-rested brain is better equipped for learning and adapting to new challenges. There are 2 primary stages of sleep: rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, and non-REM sleep. REM sleep is associated with dreaming and memory consolidation, while non-REM sleep is divided into 3 stages, with the 3rd stage being the most restorative. Deep sleep, or stage 3 non-REM sleep, is vital for the growth and repair of brain cells. During this phase, the brain produces the majority of its growth hormone, which stimulates cell reproduction and regeneration. It also enhances neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize its neural connections. So, a healthy sleep cycle ensures you can make the most of your cognitive potential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night to function at your best. If that's not possible, consider power naps during the day to help you stay rested and sharp. 8. Set SMART goals. Setting SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, enhances your intelligence by structuring your learning with clear objectives, focusing your efforts on directly impactful knowledge and skills for efficient cognitive growth. Measurable achievements allow for progress tracking and strategy refinement through a feedback loop, enhancing adaptability and development. Relevant and time-bound aspects boost motivation and discipline, encouraging consistent learning engagement and fostering a sense of urgency and accountability. Ultimately, SMART goals underpin continuous intellectual growth, not just through milestone achievement, but through sustained commitment to learning. 9. Reality check yourself. Seeking feedback from others is valuable, but sometimes it's unreliable due to bias or reluctance to provide honest input. That's where reality checking yourself comes in. It's an essential habit for personal growth and intelligence. Nobody knows you better than you know yourself. Engaging in regular self-reflection helps you develop self-awareness, a critical component of intelligence. By evaluating your own actions, behaviors, and thought patterns, you can identify areas in need of improvement. This introspection is crucial for developing a deep understanding of your strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to embark on focused actions to enhance your competencies. It's a continuous journey of self-enhancement and personal evolution that not only bolsters your intelligence, but also instills an enduring passion for learning and expansion. By reality checking yourself, you not only learn more about yourself, but also become more intelligent as a result. 10. Spend time in nature. Nature is a powerful ally on your quest to boost intelligence. When you immerse yourself in natural environments, you expose your brain to rich sensory inputs that stimulate neural connections. These diverse sounds, sights, and smells promote curiosity and learning, ultimately leading to improved cognitive skills and overall intelligence. Nature has a calming effect on the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Lower stress levels have been linked to better cognitive performance and problem-solving abilities. Additionally, spending time outdoors encourages physical activity, which has already been shown to have positive effects on cognitive function. This enhanced blood flow supplies the brain with essential nutrients and oxygen, promoting brain health and memory. So, whether it's a hike through the woods or a leisurely stroll in the park, nature is a natural intelligence booster. 11. Meditate. Meditation isn't just spiritual mysticism, it's a powerhouse habit with a multitude of benefits, including a significant boost to your intelligence. Regular meditation practices strengthen neural connections in the brain, leading to increased gray matter, density in areas related to learning, memory, and emotional control. This enhanced brain structure allows for better information processing, problem-solving, and decision-making, ultimately contributing to a higher level of intelligence. This ability to maintain focus translates to better performance in complex cognitive tasks, enhancing your understanding and retention of new information by sharpening attention and concentration skills. Moreover, meditation encourages emotional regulation and self-awareness, leading to more effective management of stress and negative emotions. By promoting emotional well-being and mental clarity, meditation can significantly contribute to boosting intelligence. So, if you thought meditation was just about sitting cross-legged and chanting, think again. It's a mind-boosting powerhouse. 12. Practice mental exercises. Engaging in mental exercises is like a mental workout for your brain that can significantly boost your intelligence. Regularly challenging your mind with activities such as puzzles, brain teasers, or memory games can sharpen essential cognitive skills like memory, attention, and processing speed. Mental exercises promote neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself in response to new experiences and challenges. By consistently challenging your brain, you stimulate the growth of new neural connections. This leads to enhanced cognitive performance and overall intelligence, enabling your brain to function more efficiently and effectively in various intellectual tasks. Through regular practice, these exercises foster the development of logical reasoning and creative thinking skills, both essential for success in a wide range of intellectual pursuits. So don't underestimate the power of a good mental workout. It's a key to unlocking your intelligence. 13. Engage in artistic activities. Exploring artistic pursuits, whether it's painting, sketching, or writing, can significantly augment your intellectual capabilities. Immersing yourself in artistic disciplines fosters creative thinking, problem-solving prowess, and the capacity to generate novel ideas. These abilities contribute to a comprehensive enhancement of intelligence as they promote adaptability, mental agility, and innovation, qualities that are essential for thriving in diverse aspects of life. The act of producing art necessitates the integration of numerous cognitive processes and stimulates cognitive growth and neural connections, including perception, memory, and decision-making. Engaging in such mental workouts can refine cognitive abilities like concentration, recollection, and analytical skills, ultimately leading to a surge in intelligence. So, whether you're sketching your thoughts, painting your emotions, or weaving words into stories, artistic activities are more than just creative outlets. They're pathways to a heightened level of intelligence. 14. Have meaningful conversations. Engaging in thought-provoking dialogues can significantly elevate your intellectual prowess. Participating in profound exchanges with others exposes you to an array of ideas, beliefs, and insights that broaden your intellectual horizons. This cognitive enrichment enables you to hone your problem-solving abilities, fine-tune your mental processes, and amplify your overall cognitive capacities, ultimately leading to heightened intelligence. Deep conversations promote the practice of perspective-taking. As you attentively listen and empathize with others' viewpoints, you sharpen your emotional intelligence and social cognition, both vital elements of comprehensive intelligence. Moreover, embracing different perspectives fosters open-mindedness, adaptability, and creativity, indispensable attributes for navigating the intricate landscape of today's world. Lastly, engaging in meaningful discussions compels you to employ critical thinking as you dissect, assess, and synthesize various viewpoints and concepts. By actively engaging in intellectually stimulating conversations and delving into complex subjects, you optimize your cognitive functioning and bolster your intelligence. 15. Always aim to improve. Striving for daily improvement is key to boosting intelligence, encouraging an ongoing pursuit of new knowledge and experiences that challenge the mind and strengthen neural connections. This mindset fosters resilience, teaching you to learn from mistakes and adapt, thereby sharpening problem-solving and critical thinking skills. It also promotes a deep sense of self-awareness, helping you identify and target areas for growth. By continuously aiming to outperform your intellectual achievements from the previous day, you cultivate a lifelong passion for learning and personal development. This approach not only enhances cognitive abilities, but also enriches your journey towards greater intelligence and self-discovery. So, which of these habits do you feel you need to work on the most? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, intelligence isn't just about being book smart, it's about embracing a holistic approach to personal growth. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep on learning and growing.